In this session, we are going to review elements in jewelry design starting from the very basic level. And that is rendering jewelry elements such as geometric ones, which can be square, triangle, round, and so on. Even if you never drew before, this ruler can help you to do that. All you need to do is that to draw different shapes, starting point. And my advice to draw different sizes of the shapes, the same shape, yeah? Small, medium, large. Say, for example, square. Also, what you can do is, as you're preparing your template, I would put round shape just under the square. So then we will have two elements interacting with one another. To start, also I need to create some kind of negative space here. Negative space. So negative space is emptiness, and the positive space is the actual element. So that template will help us to start. Once you've done that, we need to differentiate the color, the value actually of the metal from the background by shading it. So when you shade very, very seamless strokes to apply medium gray value or medium value, let's say. At this point, what's important is to identify thickness. Considering that this element is going to be flat, we will see thickness on the right down corner. When it comes to the positive side of it, right down corner. And as I'm drawing this thickness, as I go to the left, the line is becoming thinner, just like you will pick from the coin, let's say, looking at the coin from the right corner slightly. And also the light is always from the left upper corner, and the first shadow is going to be in the right down corner. So that are the rules. Those are the rules of jewelry design around the world. So now if you want to, for example, create something shiny, something very reflective, this is where then we have to emphasize on the contrast. And therefore, I'm going to create some dark lines, not too dark though, so that it's not corrupting the surface or shape of your coin instead of being flat, let's say bending or something. So it has to remain, however, flat. Also, what you can do is, let's say I want to make this element matte. In that case, I'm applying stippling technique so that it will show that this particular element is not reflecting as much as the one which is shining and polished. So now, for example, if I want to make it all scratchy, this is what I do, imitation. Kind of contemporary pieces are very fashionable right now. And then applying thickness again, like so. Now, important part, connections. In jewelry,